Have you ever been traveling and felt like your workouts were limited because the hotel gyms didn't have all the equipment you're used to? Well, you're not alone. My name's Jay Dang, I'm the founder of 5 Star Fitness, and I put together the ultimate dumbbell workout. So the next time you travel, you don't look at the hotel gym as an excuse to have a bad workout or to skip it. You're gonna come prepared with a workout where you know you're gonna burn fat, build muscle, and break a sweat. So let's get to it. We're gonna kick this workout off with a bang. And we're gonna be completing dumbbell burpees Tabata style. If you don't know what that is, it's 20 seconds of working, 10 seconds off, and you're gonna repeat that 8 rounds for 4 minutes total. You're gonna take the dumbbells, sit them down in front of your feet, you're gonna jump back, you're gonna jump forward, chest up, jump high as you can, and you're gonna repeat. So now you've just completed your 8 rounds for 4 minutes. We're gonna move to the next set of movements. You're gonna grab some dumbbells. We're gonna start with 20 dumbbell chest presses. As soon as you finish your 20 reps, you're gonna come forward, 20 bent over dumbbell rows. As you finish your 20 reps, you're gonna set the weights down, you're gonna step back, grab the bench firmly, 20 bench jumps. And 20, you're gonna sit back, grab the bench right behind your butt, extend your legs, knees to your shoulders, and extend. 20 reps total. That's your first round. You're gonna complete 4 rounds total. Now we're gonna move on to our second set of exercises. We're gonna start with the renegade row. What this is a push-up followed by 2 single arm rows in a push-up position. Once you complete 10 push-ups and 20 rows total, we're gonna move to our next movement, which is the dumbbell thruster. You're gonna squat down, elbows between your knees, press above your head, and get a good rhythm. 20 reps total. So you should be sweating by now if you finish those thrusters. We're gonna move to the next exercise, a double pump walking lunge. So you're gonna take a long lunge, and you're gonna pulse twice into the next step. So that is our second group of exercises. Again, you're gonna complete 4 rounds. For our next movement, we're gonna start with shoulder presses. You're gonna complete 20 reps. From there, you're gonna drop the dumbbells in front of you, chest up, constant tension, RDLs. Feel a good stretch in your hamstrings. As soon as you complete 20 alternating reverse lunges. And once again, 4 rounds. So now we're on to the finisher. You're gonna grab a pair of dumbbells. We're gonna be doing 2-way shoulders. So it's a lateral raise, palms facing down, and a front raise. Your count is gonna be 1, 1, 2, 2. Once you complete 10 reps, immediately 20 squat jumps with the dumbbells. And we're completing 5 rounds total for 100 squat jumps and 50 2-way shoulders. So this concludes today's dumbbell travel workout. I encourage you to tag a friend who will benefit from seeing this video. Again, I'm Jay with 5 Star Fitness, and I'll see y'all next workout.